guys, so today I wanted to do a quick little unboxing of this neck slash back massager. For the sake of this video, we are going to be unboxing it together so I can show you everything that comes inside of this box. So first off, we have the charger. So this is the charger that it comes with. It plugs to the wall outlet. So this one plugs to the wall outlet. And then we have the actual massager here. Let me take it out for y'all. So this is how it looks, guys. Look at this thing. Look at this baby right here. This is the neck slash back massager. And I say neck slash back, guys, because you can massage your neck, you can massage your back, you can massage your lower back. I absolutely love it, and it has a bunch of little options here that you can choose from. Like you can decide to turn it on or off. Obviously, you can change the rotation, you can change the speed, and you can also change the heat in case you want heat or in case you don't. Now, it also comes with a car plug in case you want to plug it into your car. I know that a lot of people, sometimes their back hurts or they just want to have like a little massage in their car. As you're driving, you can put it in your lower back like this. So you can just place it in your lower back like this and then just be driving using your computer or anything like that. So I just wanted to do this little quick unboxing to show you everything that comes inside the box. It comes with the neck slash back massager, which I love. It also comes with a car plug, and it also comes with a wall outlet plug. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on so you can actually see how it works. I'm gonna do a completely separate video so I can show you all of its features and things like that, but right now, just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna show you that it actually works and how amazing it looks. So we have the button right here to turn it on. We're just gonna press it like this, and look at that. It turns on, guys. I really love it. Right now it's with heat, but you can also turn off the heat in case you want it without heat. But yeah, it's amazing, guys. All you have to do is just put it in your back or your neck. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my back so I can show you. And it feels amazing. It's the best experience ever. I swear to you, I absolutely love it. You can lower it if you want to, and it just massages your back. Completely obsessed with it, guys. I absolutely love it, and I would definitely recommend it.